Here's the story of Dr. Steinman from BioShock 1 in 1 minute. Dr. Steinman is a doctor who was hired to perform medical duties on the residents of Rapture. From Diana McClintock's journals, we know that she was one of those patients. However, despite at one point seeming sane, that changes. Steinman discovers the limitless possibilities granted to him with Adam, and combining that with Andrew Ryan's loose restrictions, he truly feels limitless. He describes how he previously was okay removing warts and performing basic surgeries, but now with Adam, it's hard to stop sculpting and sculpting. Steinman believes this so much he even fashions himself as an artist, believing skills isn't his limiting factor, but rather creativity. Taking this belief so far as to compare his surgical pursuits to that of Picasso's art. Falling completely into delusion, Steinman begins seeing Aphrodite, as he calls her, roaming the halls. He even discussed with her during lunch about how what he's missing from his surgery is symmetry. We get a glimpse into one of his surgeries at one point and his shift into insanity. He fixes some girl's nose before ultimately choosing to continue sculpting on her face since she has some wrinkles. This was clearly not part of the plan as the nurse begins to beg Steinman to stop before calling for help. In one of his final journals, we hear about his fascination with the Little Sisters and their abilities to regenerate cells through the sea slugs implanted in them. He compares removing the sea slugs from the Little Sisters as removing a terminally ill patient from life support. Steinman ultimately dies at the hand of the main character Jack during their playthrough of BioShock, in the process making plenty of statements directed towards this Aphrodite who is not present during the fight. If you like this video, would you kindly leave a like and a sub?